This place is amazing. I'm here with Rob O'Connor, co-founder of Elite Gaming here in Syracuse, New York. We're going to have teachers tomorrow learning about interactive 3D. We have Ian Southwell, our Unreal authorized instructor for Cleverlike Studios, going to be here teaching teachers how Fortnite is not just the game that everyone might know it to be. It's actually an ecosystem that taps into a lot of workforce-ready skills and a lot of creativity for students. So teachers are going to be learning about that, learning about Unreal Engine, which is used in movies and TV shows and all over in automobiles, things like that. So they'll be learning about how these video game skills translate to careers and stuff. So do you have like a good workforce environment here in the area?
Yeah, I mean that's part of what we're all about is preparing students for the future, right? Micron just broke ground here a few weeks ago.
Nice.
And so they're going to need a lot of folks,
yeah.
And all the industry, all the companies that are coming in town to support Micron are going to need a lot of folks that are tech savvy.
Yeah.
So part of our mission here is to help our population here, the community, become more tech savvy and introducing kids to tech jobs through something they're passionate about, which is video games.
Yes, yes. And so you've created this space. We have a full restaurant situation going on here. We have a competitive stage over there. We have all these computers, all these lounge areas. We've got gaming PCs with sofas and chairs, and this is incredible. Do you fill this place up with people?
Oh yeah. Sometimes where we get really full, we'll host high school esports tournaments.
Oh, nice.
We'll have hundreds of people here from all over the area that come in, and they've been competing against each other all year long, via internet, online, and now they get a chance to come meet whoever they've been playing against all year long. So it's great. They bring their families, the teachers come, principals come to cheer on the teams.
Yeah.
So it creates such a really cool community, and people realize they're not operating in their own silo.
Yeah.
There's other school districts, there's other kids just like them that are passionate about gaming and want to share that passion with other people and get jobs and careers in the tech industries that are related to the gaming industry. It's not just about mashing buttons. Right? It's about everything that's related to the gaming industry.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're looking forward to packing this house with educators, to arm them with the tools that they need to go into the classroom with some confidence, to start to bring these tools and skills to students in the surrounding area. And then we're going to be working with actual students to make Fortnite games in this space. So in 2 days, we'll have this place filled with a bunch of games created by students using some of the most powerful industry tools. So
yeah, I don't know which day I'm more excited about is the educating the educators and breaking perceptions of what gaming really is and what the power it has, or seeing the excitement from the students when they create a playable game that they can actually show to their friends.
Yeah, I mean, for us, it's like the educators, the multiplier, but the students are the display. They're the proof. They're the work product that other educators need to see in order to see what students can do when you arm them with these great tools and equip them for the future. So I'm super excited to see those light bulb moments from the teachers, especially. Yeah,
like, oh, okay, this is something I can see me using in my classroom.
Yeah,
it's easy to implement, and it has an impact for the students.
Absolutely. Yeah, this is so exciting. So we're thankful to Epic for helping bring us together to make this happen. Thankful to you for putting together this this mastermind place in Syracuse, New York, and thanks for bringing us out here to do what we love to do, which is help educators feel comfortable and confident in bringing these tools and turning on all the light bulbs for the students. Yeah. Well, we got some work to do, man. Let's go.